In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Chrome search engine to Yahoo in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful tutorial if you want Yahoo to appear every time you search from the address bar in Google Chrome. Whether your settings changed on their own or you simply prefer a different search engine, this guide will walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is connected to the internet so the settings can load properly. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. Chrome will now open the settings page in a new tab or window. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Search Engine. This section controls how Chrome handles searches from the address bar and which search engine is used by default. Once you're inside the search engine settings, you'll see an option to change your default search engine. Click the Change button next to the current search engine. A list of available search engines will appear. From that list, select Yahoo. After choosing Yahoo, click Set as Default to confirm the change. Chrome will now use Yahoo as your default search engine whenever you type a search into the address bar. To make sure everything worked correctly, go back to the address bar and type something simple like a test search. If Yahoo appears in the search results, then the change was successful. And that's it. You've now changed the Chrome search engine to Yahoo. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference if you want a different browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss future step-by-step videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.